Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about the mind maps or it is also known as concept map. We'll discuss about the series. Basically there are two types of the series, finite series, infinite series. For example 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so on, so on, so on, or summation 1 by n to the power of 3. The series either it may converge or it may diverge or it may oscillate. So convergent, how to say the series is convergent? Limit Sn tends to the limit n tends to infinity Sn. What is our Sn? Sn is our partial sum. Suppose if it is equal to 0 or finite limit, then the series is said to be convergent. Otherwise, if the partial sum is divergent, limit n tends to infinity, Sn equal to plus infinity or minus infinity. Plus infinity or minus infinity. That means if the series is diverging to plus infinity or minus limit, value of the limit is plus infinity or minus infinity, not both at a time, or then the series is divergent. Then comes the third thing is oscillating series. Oscillating series means dangling or moving in between plus 1 and 1. Suppose the partial sum Sn, the partial sum, if limit n tends to infinity, Sn equal to plus 1 or minus 1, then the series is oscillating finitely. It is called finitely. When suppose limit n tends to infinity, partial sum is dangling between plus or moving between plus infinity to minus infinity, that means limit n tends to infinity has two values, then the series is said to be oscillating series. Okay, constant series we don't discuss because it never converges nor diverge. So series are, so to test the series we have some test. What are the test? One test is limit comparison test, p series test, logarithmic test, Cauchy integral test, Cauchy root test, D'Alembert test, Rabi test, and so on, so on. Total there are 10 to 15 tests are there to see say the series is convergent or divergent. And one more thing, the series can't be convergent or divergent both at a time. It has to converge, it has to diverge. Otherwise, it has to oscillate. That's it. There is no constant series. It never converges. Never. It is constant everywhere. Same terms are repeated. Constant series. So only the series, this partial sum we are taking, and we are testing the partial sum. Then concluding our result, convergent or divergent. This is the mind map for the series. So I have made one. This is the second one in the series. If you want to go for the limit comparison test, P series, logarithm, all the tests, I have made separate videos for each test. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.